Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use masking in Davinci Resolve. Open the color page and select the clip you want to work on, then add a serial node and choose a power window shape to define your mask area. Adjust the size, position, and feather controls to fit the subject, and use tracking if the object moves. Combine qualifiers and curves to refine the masked region for natural results. Start by creating a power window on a new serial node and pick the shape that matches your subject, like circle or polygon. Position and scale the mask using the on-screen handles, then soften the edges with feather to avoid harsh transitions. Turn on the tracker and run a forward or frame-by-frame track to ensure the mask follows motion. Fine-tune the mask path and feather after tracking for seamless integration. Refine the masked area by combining power windows with the qualifier tool to limit effects by color or luminance ranges, creating precise selections. Stack adjustments using parallel or layer nodes so you can control contrast, color, and exposure independently. Apply trackers to each node if needed, and use keyframes when the subject changes in appearance or position over time. This layered approach gives you more control and cleaner final results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.